Tiny birds and tough flowers. What's really going on here? Watch as nature's oddest roommates change a whole coastline. So, high atop Iceland's chilly cliffs, puffins carve cozy tunnels into dirt right beside pink thrift flowers, braving the wild winds. But here's the crazy part. Those flowers grab tight to the loose, sandy ground, stopping it from sliding away, while the puffins' droppings feed and boost the very plants that protect them. It's a teamwork cycle few people see up close. Fierce weather, flashy blooms, and fluffy birds, all locked in a wild alliance. And just when you think it's just a plant and a bird, turns out it's survival's secret handshake.